It's Christmas and I want my house to smell like Christmas, so I created this diffuser blend to help set the holiday mood. For this recipe, you'll need 2 drops of Clove Essential Oil and 1 drop of Patchouli Essential Oil. To use it, I'm just gonna open up my diffuser, it's already got water in it, and add my essential oils. Come on, Patchouli. Woo! Then I'm gonna turn on my diffuser. Get a good whiff. It's Christmas! Because I love this recipe so much, I'm gonna make a master blend in this bottle so I can keep it in my pocket ready to go whenever. To make this master blend, I'm going to fill this 5 milliliter bottle proportionally with my essential oils. So 60 drops clove and 30 drops patchouli. Now I can bring the spirit of Christmas with me wherever I go. So ditch those nasty chemicals and make your home smell like Christmas naturally today. This recipe is featured in our December recipe box. Subscribe today to get everything you need to make this recipe and make your home smell like Christmas naturally. Go and make your home more natural.